In this video, I show you how to fix sorry and error required email not allowed problem on Telegram. First of all, know that why happening this problem. If you are using VPN, that you can see this problem. Go to settings, then search for VPN. Now tap on VPN, tap on it, now tap on settings icon, then tap on forgot VPN, then forgot. Now go back to Play Store. Now search Telegram. Now tap on it. Now up to date your Telegram if available in update version. Then go to settings again. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for Telegram. Tap on it. Tap on force stop. OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Then manage space. Now open Telegram app. Then try to log in. Now I hope that this method fix sorry and unknown error code. Please try again problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.